Take a ride in the 2015 Silverado 3500HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.